Hi everyone, welcome to the Cloud Rabbit. Today is the class 5. So this class 5, I'm going to explain about the how to launch the Linux web server. How to launch the Linux web server. To launch the Linux web server, first we have to launch the Linux machine. Here, to launch the Linux machine, so go to the services, go to the compute part, select EC2. Select EC2. Here, after that EC2, here so click on the launch instance. Here, select the free tier because I am using the free tier account here. I'm just selecting the Amazon Linux here. You can select any Linux, okay? So by the default here instance family is the T2 macro, okay? Because T2 macro only instance family is eligible for the free tier account. Next will be the configuration instance details. Then here, if the VPC is there, you can select VPC. Right now I don't have any VPC, so then there is no need to add the VPC here. So here and just I will select the availability zone. I'm going to deploy this web server on the 1A. So here use IP address should be enabled. Okay. Next add storage. So here by the default the Linux machine will have only 8 GB of storage, whereas for Windows it will be the 30 GB of storage. Suppose you want to add the value, you can add the value. So right now I don't want to add the value here. Next add the tags. There is no need to add the tags. Okay, just select the configured security group. Then you have to add the ports. Which ports need to be accessed? Nothing but add the traffic. Okay, a security group is a set of firewall that control the traffic on instance. Which type of traffic should be allowed to access my EC2 instance? So here we are installing or we are creating the Linux web server. We have to add the protocols related to the Linux web server. So that is the HTTP and HTTPS here. I'm going to add the HTTP and HTTPS. Okay. Then here source here will be the anywhere. So here anywhere, here anywhere, here anywhere, review and launch. Review and launch. And create a new key pair. Create a new key pair. That is I'm going to give this key pair Linux web server. Linux web server. Okay. So then download key pair. So then launch instance. Then launch instance. Here view instance. Select the instance and here edit the name here. Put name here Linux server. Linux server. I just edited the name Linux server. To access the Linux machine, we need the third party tool like a putty or MOBA extra. Just copy this public IP address and go to the MOBA extra. MOBA extra. Here MOBA extra. Select the session. Select here SSH. Then select the remote host here. Paste IP address. Select advanced SSH setting. Advanced SSH setting. Then select the key. Then select the key which we had associated with the Linux web server. Select the key and open and OK. Okay. So by the default for the Amazon Linux, the username is EC2-user. You have to type the EC2-user. EC2-user. Just now I launched the Linux machine. Okay. First we have to log in into the root account. First we have to log in into the root account. For login into the root account, here type sudo hyphen yes, sudo hyphen yes. So here present working directory, I'm just logged it as a which user? PWD. Present working directory is /home/easy2 user. To know which user he was logged in, so just type who am I. Okay. So then to install the web server, we need to add this command or we need to type this command. The first command is, what is the first command? This one, minstall httpd-y. Okay. Just go here and minstall httpd-y. Then so all these necessary packages will be downloaded from the internet. Okay. Then check the command here, service httpd status. Yeah, status. Okay. So then service http status is disabled, then start. Again service http status. So right now the status is enabled. Okay. So then you have to create the HTML file. To create the HTML file, go to the here. Which location? See this. I have to go to this location. cd/var/www/html/html. I need to go to the location of the folder. This folder location. So this location. I have to go to the location. Just then create index. The HTML file. Here cat greater than here index.html. Then enter. Welcome to Cloud Rabbit. Learn AWS classes free. Okay. So then Control D. Then so I had created one HTML page. To access a website, you have to copy the either public IP address or either public DNS. This public DNS. I'll just copy this public IP address and go to the browser and paste and go. Yes, see this. Welcome to Cloud Rabbit. Learn AWS class. The website is deployed. Okay. Hope you observed the video and watched the video. So try to learn by watching video carefully. Practice. Thank you for watching my video, and please support me and please subscribe me.